Mana na? Ito
Good morning, friend. Today is weekend, so I'm gonna clean up my room. And after that, we gonna go out for a meal. And I hope you guys enjoy it. The way I'm cleaning my bedroom. I'm not a professional, but I just clean up like every weekend, maybe free time. And when we have a free time, yeah. Now it's time to go out. We're gonna try look around in the city. After that, we're gonna go to the restaurant. ឡើយនេះដល់ពេលវេលាដែលយើងត្រូវចេញក្រៅដល់យើងហើយមកពីយើងបើកបានជិះជុំវិញមាត់ទន្លេយើងចូលទៅញ៉ាំនៅភោជនីយដ្ឋាន Nong. Yeah, it's a Vietnamese restaurant. After that, we're gonna go to the Vietnamese restaurant. So let's go with me, friends. អូខេឥឡូវយើងមកដល់ restaurant ហើយគឺ restaurant វៀតណាមមកញ៉ាំណែមវៀតណាមបើយើងចូលចិត្តនោះគឺគេហៅថាណែមវៀតណាមហ្នឹងខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំចា Now we are at the place there is a Vietnamese restaurant the food that I really like it we call the name my mom and my brother and all of us we order name name in Vietnamese yeah it's nice that because we like the vegetable with the special fish sauce yeah so let's enjoy with us friends
Tại miên hả? Chứ có phải miên muối bán là nó tí mà không được không đó mà nhau nó bán này nó phải miên đó. Đấy. Chẳng. Ngay. Thì thôi rồi. Mày thôi là. Đã tắt cái ổn. Bà thế. Nhằm cho sùi sùi. Nhằm cho lẹ lạ. Chỉ tịch bể. Xong chỉ chả. Chỉ tịch nhá.បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានតាមទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំតាមដល់ចប់ Thank you for spending your awesome time watching my video of friends. Hope you are guys stay safe and see you in my next video. And sounds nice. Hit the subscribe button if you like my video. And you want to carry on my next upload. Okay. Bye bye friend.